Hi, my name is Ludmila, and today I want to talk about healthcare and blockchain, which, in my opinion, is very far from each other. Everything started when a few weeks ago I get a request to create healthcare application by using blockchain technology. And yeah, I have some experience with blockchain. We made some projects. I also understand like Memcoin, Bitcoin, altcoin, but it's very unregulated area and healthcare where everything should be like strict regulation and regulation with regulation, a lot of audits and so on. So I start my research, like what is good cases for blockchain and what is bad cases. Does there really some good example where we can rely on, or is like just technology which everybody want to try and play with it? First things that came to my mind how to use it, it's for data storing. So we take, for example, patient medication and put it into the blockchain. It's a question about security, but okay, it could be handled. But it's like huge amount of data and it's very uncomfortable to get access to it. Yeah, we know that this patient gets this medication, but like how we, for example, get all patients with this medication, or how we understand like how many patients get this medication and all the things which usually needed for clinic, doctors, pharmacies. It's not accessible because it's not SQL, like you have hashes, and it means that you need to have a database to store all the hashes, to have the connection. A lot of gaps in this logic. So what I found as solution which could work is, instead of storing everything in blockchain with like nonsense, use blockchain more to validate the data is true, like that is not fake. For example, clinic A hash the medication data of the patient, put it into the blockchain. Clinic B get this hash, get data from the database, hash it, and compare that hash from the database and from the blockchain are the same. It means that patient data was not changes. And I thought, okay, but does it really a problem? Do we really need to validate the data right? Like, why clinic A want to give fake data for clinic B or to the patient, to the pharmacy, to the insurer? And I found statistic, and yes, it's a big issue that data could be stolen and it could be changed, and that person who stole it like take a medication which not according to his subscription. But the biggest question here is who will invest the money, because it's not really interest of clinic to be sure that that data is right. Yeah, they do all the protection stuff, but still they will not invest like extra money for global ecosystem. It could be interest of insurer because they can avoid frauds. So most likely it will be a pharma, because they already spend a lot of money to be sure that frauds are not happening, because they actually lost. My opinion is that it's quite small chance that blockchain will widely used in healthcare, because each player should be involved there, and clinics will not invest money in case there will be no regulation. And regulation came from government, and as we see, blockchain now is not something that government pay attention, especially from like useful point of view, not from getting money point of view. Let me know if you have any question, left your comment. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.